It's a 2014 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, manual telescoping steering column, power heated mirrors, internet radio, aluminum wheels, wireless phone connectivity, and inline 4-cylinder engine. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.